Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Merry Christmas, my friends. Today, we saw a beautiful liquidation of shorts from the newly formed purple liquidation leverage box on the upside, spanning from 96,500 to 97,300. But that wasn't all. Bitcoin went even higher, reaching a peak of 99,400.
It's a miracle. It's really a sort of a miracle because it happens every Christmas Eve. And if you waste that miracle, you're going to burn for it. I know what I'm talking about. You have to do something. You have to take a chance. You do have to get involved. There are people that are having trouble making their miracle happen.
At the time of this recording, the price is resting comfortably at 98,500, right between the two key yellow bars at 96,500 and 99,700. There's potential for even more upside from here. The bulls have pulled us away from the dark trenches of the 92 to 94,000 abyss. Looking at the 1-week liquidation heat map, the next major hot pocket sits just below 100,000, extending all the way to 102,200. Beyond that, there are more areas of interest from 102,800 to 108,000. December returns are officially back in the green, with a modest but solid 2% gain so far. Now for the altcoin enthusiasts, Bitcoin dominance is dropping again, and the Bitcoin price is rising. According to our trusty altcoin cycle cheat sheet, this combination signals that altcoins may be gearing up for a pump. Looking at the CoinMarketCap altcoin season index, we've climbed out of the trenches, now sitting at 51. While it's not full-on altcoin season just yet, the recent low of 44 from 2 days ago is now behind us. Remember, anything from 75 to 100 signals in official altcoin season. In other bullish news, Michael Saylor's ambitions for Bitcoin are turning heads. A viral post from Satoshi's journal on X highlights that MicroStrategy could one day own as much as 16% of the total Bitcoin supply, potentially over 3 million Bitcoin. Saylor's strategy to buy trillions worth of Bitcoin could fuel exponential price growth, potentially pushing Bitcoin toward $1 million per coin sooner than expected. Finally, some cautionary news from Russia. Starting in 2025, a 6-year ban on cryptocurrency mining will take effect in 10 key regions due to energy shortages. However, mining will still be allowed in other parts of the country, with certain areas implementing seasonal restrictions instead of a total ban. That's it for today's update. Join the free Discord community to discuss all things crypto with like-minded traders. The link is in the description below. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I wish you all a cheerful Christmas, and see you in the next one.